y'all, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of me reinstalling a wig. So I took that band off, y'all, and y'all can see I was happy because it was melted, baby. It looked like scalp. So I went in with the baby hairs, put the band back on for another 30 minutes. Look at this girl, she love to be on my camera, y'all. So once I took the band off, I go and cut the baby hairs, and then I put some mousse on it. I go and swoop them. And then I put a silk band on just to make sure that my baby hairs is laid. And then I go on with some hair gloss so I can curl my hair and give it a little shine. When I curl my hair, y'all, I just spray a little spritz on there, not much. And then I go in and I curl. And I was trying to figure out which way I want to curl it, up, front, or backwards, what I did forward. So once I curl it, I go in and I flexi ride it because I'm going to sleep after this, baby. And I want it to be curly curled. So I flexi ride it and I go to sleep, y'all. And then once I wake up, I'm going to take them flexi rods out. And then I'm going to just style it how I like it. So, y'all, once I get done taking the flexi rods out, I'm just going to take the band off and then fluff my baby hairs out because I don't want them stiff. And then I'm done, boo. Bye.